the distance. Moving forward now, Lakota Spear. Joining in, all set now, ready to race. Race number 8. 3-year-old CHG Handicap Race 1. Distance, 1,300 meters. And the race is on. Strategic Manila from the outside. Lakota Spear moving up is Amazing Party. Fine Bluff. Strategic Manila moving up by Doral to grab the lead. Dream Lover. Lakota Spear. Amazing Party. Jalapeno is racing in pip 6, number 7. And this one is Fine Bluff. Congregation is running by Doral. Madam Rhea. So lucky. Iyon. Dream Lover by about 2 lengths, followed by Lakota Spear in second. Jalapeno, Amazing Party, Strategic Manila. Madam Rhea is running by the Royal Congregation alongside Fine Bluff. Iyon, so lucky. Another 4 turn, Dream Lover by about 2 lengths, Lakota Spear. Madam Rhea, Jalapeno as they race to final corner. Dream Lover by about 3 lengths. Madam Rhea closing in second. Congregation, Lakota Spear with the last 150 meters more to run. Dream Lover, Congregation burning the tracks, moves up to grab the lead and nearing the finish line. Congregation second. Dream Lover, Jalapeno, Madam Rhea, Lakota Spear, Pentofecta.